welcome back to my channel. It is day 10 of our Starbucks. It is day 10 of our 12 days of Christmas baking. On today's episode, we are going to be making quite the tongue twister. The cookies are white chocolate dipped peppermint chocolate cookies. It is essentially a dark chocolate crinkle cookie that has been dipped in white chocolate and then dipped in peppermint or candy cane sprinkles. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are 1 cup of butter, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of cocoa that has been scooped in and leveled off, not packed in, and 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, peppermint extract, vanilla extract, 2 2/3 cup of flour that has also been scooped and leveled, not pressed in, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, but I have already mixed that into the flour, white chocolates to dip the cookies in, peppermint sprinkles, so I have crushed up a bunch of candy canes, put the candy canes in a Ziploc bag and then just smash it with a roller or something like that. So you're going to take your flour and your baking soda, put it into a bowl. You're going to add your cocoa. Take a whisk and just mix it together. You're going to take your butter, take your 3/4 cup of brown sugar and your 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, put it into a bowl and you're going to beat it until it is well combined. Take 1 egg at a time, beat it into the mixture. That's what it looks like after 2 eggs have been added. Next, you are going to add in 1 teaspoon of both the peppermint and the vanilla extract. Slowly now add in the flour, cocoa, and the baking soda mixture into the wet mixture. I have beaten the dough until just combined, and then I used my hands to kind of pull it together. It was very sticky. It does recommend that if you think your batter is too sticky for you to handle, you should chill it in the refrigerator. So I'm going to chill this for about an hour, and I'll see you guys back here for the rest of it. Welcome back, guys. As you can tell, this is a completely different day. I actually waited 2 days before rolling out this dough, but it's a little rock solid now, but we're gonna give it a shot. You're gonna first set the oven for 350 degrees. You're gonna get your scooper out and just scoop out even balls of dough. This dough is a little bit hard since I left it in the fridge for so long, so don't do that. See if they work out. The recipe does mention that you should squish out the dough when you get them onto the pan, and I think that's because it makes it more flat. It does give you a weight measurement in the recipe that each cookie should be about 25 grams, so that is also a good way of measuring or making sure that your cookie is the same size. I might do that for the second batch and see if that goes better, because scooping it out is kind of difficult. The cookies ended up turning out and they look awesome. I don't know if you can see them, but the crackle on top is what you're looking for. Now, not all of the cookies that I've done have crackles on them, but this one looks pretty good. You're going to set the cookies aside and let them cool completely, because then you want to melt the white chocolate and then dip them in the sprinkles. So you should allow them as much time to cool as possible. Going to do is take a cookie, dip half of it in the white chocolate. Look how good that looks. Yeah. Peppermint on it. Ooh. Place it on the mat. Thank you so much for coming, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, maybe hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the final day of 12 days of Christmas baking. Bye!